Hey guys, Kirby Vacuum Leather and Fixer here, and I am doing a video on my Encore Supreme I got from Goodwill for $5 yesterday. So it's pretty good shape. I just put a new bag in there. Let's see how it runs. See if it'll pick up leaves. They're dry leaves, by the way. So overall, it's a really nice machine. I actually really like it. I looked at the brush roll, and the brush roll surprisingly is in very good shape. I noticed with Elites especially, either there's two ways. Either the outside is really clean, but the brush roll is absolutely filthy, or like this one, the outside's really dirty and scratched up, where the brush roll is pristine. So it's the outside's kind of bumped up and dirty, but the brush roll's like pristine. Looks like it was never used. Maybe it's a new brush roll, I don't know, but very pristine brush roll, and it runs really good. So thanks for watching.